Welcome to today's video. I'm your host Evangelia, and together we will explore the natural remedies of using ashwagandha to enhance fertility, increase your chances of conceiving faster. Many couples struggle with fertility issues and may be looking for natural ways to improve their chances of conceiving. The journey to parenthood can be overwhelming, especially when faced with the uncertainty of infertility. It's heartbreaking to see families struggling to start or grow their family. But the good news is that there are natural solutions that can help. Ashwagandha has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to promote overall health and wellness, and recent studies have shown its potential in boosting our fertility. So, fertility issues can be a result of various factors, including hormonal imbalances, stress, and really poor nutrition. Ashwagandha has been found to address these underlying issues, making it an effective natural remedy for fertility enhancement. As we dive deeper into the benefits of ashwagandha, you'll learn how it can help regulate hormones, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve reproductive health, which is so important, right? So, couples who have tried traditionally fertility treatments may have experienced disappointment and frustration. Ashwagandha offers a natural, holistic approach to fertility, which is not only effective but also gentle on the body. By incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine, you can take control of your reproductive system, your health, and increase your chances of conceiving naturally and faster. In addition to its fertility boosting effects, of ashwagandha is also powerful an adaptogen that can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting our overall well-being. This is especially important for couples who may be experiencing emotional turmoil due to infertility. By taking ashwagandha, you can improve your mental and emotional health, which can have a positive impact on your fertility journey, right? And that's what we're here for. We will delve into the benefits of ashwagandha in fertility, how it works to enhance the reproductive health, and the recommended dosage for optimal results. Ashwagandha has been found to improve semen quality, increase fertility in both men and women, and even support pregnancy health. We'll explore the science behind ashwagandha's fertility boosting effects and how it can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Ashwagandha works by reducing cortisol levels, which can disrupt hormone balance and our reproductive function. By reducing the stress and promoting relaxation, ashwagandha helps to regulate hormones, leading to improved fertility. Additionally, ashwagandha's antioxidant properties help to protect the reproductive system from oxidative stress, which can damage our eggs and our sperm health. Whew. The recommended dosage of ashwagandha for fertility varies, but most studies suggest taking 500 to 1,000 milligrams of ashwagandha root extract per day. It's essential to consult always your healthcare professional before adding any ashwagandha to your fertility routine, especially if you're already taking any medications. So I'm slipping over my tongue here, or underlying health issues. Discover the this is a scissor. I don't know why I'm doing that. The key nutrients in ashwagandha that support hormonal balance and reproductive function, leading to improved fertility. Ashwagandha is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for our reproductive system and in general our health. For example, ashwagandha contains vitamin C, which helps to regulate hormonal balance and improve ovulation. Besides that, it also really helps with a good and support immune system. It's also really rich in a source of iron, which supports healthy egg production and fertilization. So really, really important and amazing how much ashwagandha truly does for our system. So ashwagandha's high antioxidant content helps to protect the reproductive system from oxidative stress, which can damage our eggs and our sperm health. This is especially important for women, as oxidative stress can lead to ovarian aging and reducing the fertility. By taking ashwagandha, you can support your reproductive health and increase your chances of conceiving naturally. So furthermore, ashwagandha has been found to improve sperm quality and motility, increasing the chances of, again, a successful fertilization. This is especially beneficial for men who may be experiencing fertility issues due to low sperm count or sperm quality. So always remember, it's always we're supporting our men's health, but also our women's health, so we can have the best possible impact for the best fertilization and conceiving a healthy baby and pregnancy. In summary, ashwagandha can be a natural and effective solution for boosting fertility and increasing your chances of conceiving faster. By incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine, you can take control of your reproductive system, your health, and support your journey towards parenthood. So don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more natural fertility tips and healing natural remedies. Do remember, on the 27th of this month, I will be hosting a more in-depth workshop featuring my top recommended herbs, supplements, and strategies. So secure your spot by the end of this week for only $4.97 before the price goes up. Until next time.